the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clean car. I like this. I like the black on black.
Yeah, smooth. That's good looking class. Good classic color.
Yeah.
Now, Chris, when you make this right turn, before you do, you're gonna see a big pothole to the right.
Oh
Chris.
yeah, I gotta avoid that.
You see that bad boy?
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
Ain't nobody coming this way.
Make your left turn here, Chris.
All right.
Take going west on the airport.
It's real smooth.
When you make your left turn, Chris, you can stay in the left lane because we're going to go down the piece and do a U-turn here back.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Chris. Got you on video, see you shipping on, yeah.
I want to play around. Yeah, I play around with the paddle shifters.
Oh yeah, pedal shift's cool. You know, you ever drove stick shifts?
Nah, I never drove like, I never drove manual.
But one thing for sure, you know, it's just like driving a manual without a clutch.
Yeah.
You know, and many people today, there's not very many people your age, you know, that get into stick shift that much. Cause they ain't made it. Not very many of them made it in stick shift these days. Not so fast now, Chris. I got insurance to consider myself with, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to drive that bad boy that fast when you own it now, okay?
Yeah.
I have to keep everything safe, you know?
Yeah.
That's my job. You got a lot of power, Chris. You have to know how to control and handle it, and I'm sure you do. You know, young man, you're pretty smart young man. But for insurance purposes, anything can happen, so we'd rather you own it to drive it the way you really want to, okay?
Okay.
But you can see that it ain't no slouch. But no
it's all lane.
Nah. When you get down here, do a U-turn where that truck is right there, right here beyond it. Right here, you do a U-turn. Just before the light, right here. Oh yeah. That, but you put it on your tube, you're gonna see. And your girlfriend see you kicking it.
Yeah.
And all your friends. Gonna make a right turn to light, Chris, here in the back.
Definitely feel faster than a 08 SRT that I had drove.
Oh yeah. This baby, they improved the torque and horsepower on this baby.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they increases. You got better suspension system also. You did a good job on it. I did give it up. Right here's your turn, my brother.
Okay.
Yeah, my son lives in Birmingham, and he sent me some information on the car, and I checked the Carfax out for him and told him everything looked good, you know, no accidents, you know, and looked good, and so he ended up buying it. As a matter of fact, I think the one he bought was he had his a couple of years, maybe 3. I think he'd have bought a new 15 or a new 16.
Yeah, they nice. The brand new ones.
No, it wasn't new. It wasn't new. It was like new. It looked nice, you know, it wasn't new. But I told him, I come think, I said, buy a used one because you can save some money, you know? That's right. He was looking at the new one. Straight over through the gate. That's my detail shop over there.
Oh, yeah.
The guy hooked you up.
Real nice.
Back it on in, young man. The other guy, they looking at that probably saying, man, I know what they're thinking. I tell you what, put in that pretty quick on, trust will come in there and hit you, you know. Young man, let's go put the bottom line to it. You got the key, right?
Yeah, I got
I'm putting it on. Oh yeah.
I just test drove the 2014 SRT Charger, and to tell you the truth, if this good news go through, I'm not gonna say it right now because it ain't all set in stone. So if this good news go through, then it might be looking like I might possibly be getting the 2014 SRT over the older one. But for now, I'm just looking at the older SRT. Man, like, it's a tough choice because obviously one is $20,000 cheaper than the other one. And if this good news go through, you know, and, you know, I can actually build a cheaper car, you know, for 20, you know, it's like I'm saving $20,000 if I go with the older SRT. I can supercharge that car for that much, you know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, you know, I'm gonna play it, I'm gonna try really think this thing through, man. I'm still on the older one because I can supercharge it. I can do way more things to it and make that car a better car, in my opinion. And I kind of, you know, played around with the steering, and I still like the older steering on the older SRT. So I don't know why. I don't know why that is. I don't know if they modded it or what, but for some reason it felt a little bit more precise. I don't know why, but I like the newer one, obviously, because it's newer. It got better interior, more horsepower already. But with the older one, I can soup it up, you know, push around for the same amount of money. I can be pushing around 600 horsepower to the wheels. So I mean you tell me, you know, what's the better buy. So right now I'm still sold on the older one. I got good news. I'm not saying nothing right now because I don't say anything that's not set in stone. I'm not gonna tell nobody something that, you know, I can't actually pull off. You know, I like to do things in secret, make sure I, you know, can actually pull things off. So my take, it's a really nice car. You know, the newer model, I like, you know, the all black interior, you know, the upgraded interior. But at the end of the day, for now, I'm just looking for a really nice sports car that's kind of cheap. Plus, if the good news go through, I have more money, basically. So if I get the cheaper option, I have more money left over, and I might use that to buy me a crib. You know what it is, man. I gotta get out, you know, I mean, it's nice, you know, living in your parents' house, you know, not being able to pay nothing as a college student. But still, at my age, I'm 21. And I really need my own space right now. That's how I feel. So I can do what I want, you know. I can have my own curfew. Y'all already know what it is, man. So that's it. Oh. Yeah, we got a dog too, so, you know, ignore that. But, you know, this is the end of the video. If this is your first time watching the video, subscribe, like. It's going to be more content coming in the future, and you're going to want to see it. So support the movement, man. Support it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.